As machinist trainer, my job would be to train safe, competent, productive, professional employees. When we're mentoring, those people are learning from us. Where to put your feet, where to put your hands, watch where you're going. Without proper tooling, it makes our job much more difficult. I believe the right tool could be life-changing. Tooling design intrigues me because maybe we can make it safer for somebody else. It excites me to come to work and see those changes actually function as intended. Every single one of my fellow coworkers is who I'm responsible for. It's satisfying when you see somebody use a tool that you were involved in developing and they say, that works really well, that's really nice, that made my life a lot easier. My name is Chris Caven, and teaching safe processes is how I care for my coworkers at BNSF Railway.